Clayton Keller with Shingle Bright Roof and Siding Cleaning. We're here just south of Nixa today getting ready to clean this roof. It's got a lot of issues. You can see the black algae that's growing on that part. It's on most of the roof. You can see some more of it up there. This is the north facing side. You can see some streaks of algae there. You can also see the green stuff, that's lichen. Lichen is what will actually damage your roof. You can get a little closer here. You see that green stuff? That roots into the shingles, pops the granules off. There's all kinds of lichen, a lot of different strains. This is just the one they have here. We got a bunch of leaves and trash and stuff up here too that we're going to get off. But we're going to make this thing look awesome. We're going to get the siding done too, and they're going to have this house ready to go on the market before long. We'll check back in soon. And this roof has a lot of issues. We're going to take care of all of them. First of all, it's got a ton of leaves and stuff on it. It's also, if you can see the green stuff there, that's lichen. Lichen is bad news. It eats into your shingle, roots in, pops the granules off. There's all kinds of different types. This roof is not ruined, but I'll guarantee you there is damage underneath that lichen. We'll kill it very softly with a very soft pressure. Okay, about 3 hours has gone by. This is all starting to dry up pretty good. Of course the sun's out, so it makes it harder to see now. But all the algae's gone off of there. You can see the leaves are gone. Here's something that was underneath the leaves, and this is quite common. That yellow looking stuff, that's dead moss that roots into the shingles, so I'm not going to force it off, but that will decay. It's already dead. It'll decay and it'll be gone before you know it. You can see all the white stuff that's underneath the edge of these shingles. That's more lichen. That's the stuff that will absolutely damage your roof, but it is dead. It will rot off there. About the time you think it's not ever going to go away, you'll look up and it's gone. Roof cleaner that doesn't know what they're doing would force that off and guarantee shingle damage. So of course we don't do that. So we'll come back over here, and this is the section that we looked at earlier on the lichen, and again you can see it is extremely dead. It's not happy, and it will be gone soon. Clayton Keller Shingle Bright signing off.